on the Bruce Trail today at Kilgorey, which is just north of Shelburne. It really is a beautiful day and I'm so happy to be outside. So I'm starting off on a side trail today, marked in blue. I'm joining up with the main trail here, and it will be marked in white. I'm walking right alongside this beautiful little river. I'm loving this. I am leaving the river now and heading uphill. Aha! How nice! We're back to the river, just a little higher upstream. So now we are going to take a Bruce Trail side trail to the Bell Lookout. I am almost back at the car now. Such a great day. I'm so glad I came out. I do have some videos that are specifically about the Bruce Trail, and I will put links to these videos down below in the description. For this hike, I parked here on 15th Side Road, and I went in this direction. This is the area where the Bell Lookout is, and this is an approximate map because the Bruce Trail and parking locations do change over time. If you are going to be hiking on the Bruce Trail, I recommend watching my 5 Amazing Things About the Bruce Trail video, and it has information about how to get your own maps.